To control your Samsung Galaxy A56 5G with your voice using a voice access feature, first of all, we'll need to open a settings on our smartphone device. We can then scroll all the way down and select accessibility. It's right here. Then move to interaction and dexterity. Select voice access and then you can activate this feature. Make sure to allow any other permissions and agree to everything that will pop up. Otherwise, it may not work. So we can activate it with the start listening button, and I recommend to do that. You can disable it if you don't want, then it will be active all the time. So now when we have this button, we can click on done, read through the tutorial, listen for commands whenever my screen is on, or stop listening after 30 seconds of inactivity. I'm gonna go for the recommended option and then continue, allow any permissions as I said, and then you can read through that tutorial. I'm gonna try to actually skip it. Now when we have it set up, we can click on the button that we've just activated. It also asks for the language package to be downloaded, so we actually need to download it as well. Okay, so this download is actually taking a bit long, so it already works actually. So what you need to do when the voice access is finally active is to click on this icon, and then you can tell anything to your phone. As you can see, it's already recording. So for example, when the recording is finished, I will just say go back, and then it should just go back. And let me pause this, and now I'm gonna say go back. Go back. And that is basically everything.